Hey friends, today I want to share an amazing story with you. It's about Alex Hormozy, a guy whose life story is really inspiring. Whether you're going through hard times or you're doing well and just want to do even better, Alex's story has something for you. I heard about him on Stephen Bartlett's podcast, The Diary of a CEO, and I was so inspired that I felt compelled to share the story with all of you. Let's dive into his life story, which is full of ups and downs, and see what we can learn from it. Also, if you are thinking about starting your own online business or building a brand, if yes, then today's video is perfect for you. Alex grew up with a father who came from another country and worked very hard to give Alex a good life. Eager to make his dad proud, Alex pushed himself very hard. He finished college a whole year early, landed a high-paying job, and bought his own house. Despite ticking all the boxes of success, deep down, Alex felt empty and unfulfilled. This feeling lingered for a couple of years until he made a bold decision to start his own business, something he had always wanted. Initially, Alex considered business school, but then he thought, why not jump straight into the real world of business? He chose the latter, using his resources to start a venture in the field he was passionate about, bodybuilding. He reached out to numerous potential mentors, and finally, one Mr. Seven Figures responded. Making a huge leap, Alex sold his house, quit his job, and embarked on a cross-country journey to learn from his new mentor. Alex's days and nights were consumed by learning everything about the gym business: sales, marketing, customer service, you name it. His dedication led him to open his own gym, but the financial strain was real. He had no choice but to live in his gym. Life became a relentless cycle. His first client would come in at 4 a.m. and the last wouldn't leave until late night. The gym's location under a noisy parking space and his reliance on clients for basic amenities like laundry added to his daily challenges. Despite all the personal hardships, Alex's gym began to pick up steam. He developed a unique marketing strategy and crafted offers so compelling that clients couldn't resist. One such tactic was a guaranteed weight loss program with a money-back promise. This unique selling point was a game changer, and soon Alex was not just sustaining his first gym but opening 5 more. But life is full of ups and downs. Alex faced a series of personal and professional crises: his mother's illness, legal troubles, and tension in his relationships. He was forced to make difficult decisions like selling off his other business ventures, but then he faced a major betrayal. His business partner, who had access to their joint account, stole all the money, leaving Alex penniless. Just when things couldn't seem worse, his main business came under legal scrutiny and his funds were frozen. Overwhelmed, on the brink of giving up, Alex found a lifeline in his girlfriend Lena. Her unwavering support and belief in him reignited his will to fight back. Alex began exploring new ways to generate income. He tackled his debt head-on, but then faced another setback in the gym business model. He discovered that gym owners he had partnered with were undercutting him, leading to massive losses. The situation became so dire that he plunged into $1 million of debt. However, during his tumultuous time, Alex noticed that Lena was successfully running her own online weight loss business. This inspired him to venture into the online world. Meanwhile, a previous client reached out requesting Alex's expertise in gym launching. Initially hesitant, Alex agreed to offer coaching for a significant fee, realizing the potential of selling his knowledge and experience. This realization marked a turning point for Alex. He began selling his business strategies and saw immense success. His business skyrocketed and he quickly turned his financial situation around, clearing debts and expanding his ventures. He reconciled with his father, married the love of his life, Lena, and his life took a turn for the better. When the COVID pandemic hit, it posed a significant challenge to the gym industry, but Alex's strong business position helped him weather the storm. He sold a major portion of his gym business and a software company, securing a substantial income that allowed him to enjoy a comfortable passive income lifestyle, which we all dream of possibly. Despite this success, Alex's desire to share his knowledge and help others remained strong. He wrote a book about his gym launching experience and then another called 100 Million Offers, which I highly recommend. It's packed with business insights and strategies. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, do like, comment, and share this video, especially with someone who you know might be interested in setting up his or her own online business. I will continue to strive to make more such videos which will help us in our shared journey of self-improvement. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video.